Do you know many people are having trouble with their printer settings reverting unexpectedly? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open Control Panel. Open the Control Panel on your computer and navigate to Devices and Printers. Step 2. Access Printer Properties. Right-click your HP LaserJet Pro 4001N printer and select Printer Properties. Step 3. Locate Job Storage. In the Device Settings tab, locate the Job Storage section. Step 4. Disable Job Storage. For Windows, set Job Storage to Disable. On macOS, ensure the Job Storage checkbox is unchecked. Step 5. Save and exit. Click Apply and then OK to save and exit. This keeps stored print off. Now, your HP printer should keep the stored print setting OFF. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.